Find the value of z in the shaded area to the left of the dashed line is 0.35%. So here's z, here's the dashed line that represents the cutoff point where z would sit. The question tells us that the area to the left is 0.35%. So I labeled that here in the blue area because this is the area to the left of the dashed line. The entire area under the curve should be 100%. So if I know this side here on the left is 0.35%, we can just figure out what's left over, which would be 99.65% in the green area. Now we have a chart that tells us how to find our value of z. So for this chart, the z-score is here, and then the percentage is here. This chart will only show you the percentage that lies to the left, only to the left. Since we know the area to the left is 0.35, we're going to look in the percentage area for 0.35, and that will tell us that our value of z is negative 2.7. So now, looking at our graph again, if this is negative 2.7 here, that means 0.35% lies to the left, which is a very small amount, and then the area to the right is 99.65%, and that z, that negative 2.7, is where that cutoff happens. The center is here, which is 0, so I expected to get a negative value because the negatives are to the left and the positives are to the right, and this is the center here. So if I came out with a positive number here, then I would know that I did something wrong and I have to go back and check because that does not make sense with the picture. So when you're finding your value of z, make sure that it makes sense with the picture.